foods for weight loss. So let's start. Number 1, leafy greens. Low in calorie but high in minerals like fibers, vitamins, minerals. Leafy greens promote fullness and aid in weight management. Number 2, berries. Packed with antioxidants and fiber, berries help control appetite and digestion, making them ideal for weight management. Number 3, salmon boosts metabolism and helps to reduce inflammation, supporting overall health and weight loss. Number 4, chia seed. High in fiber and protein, chia seed absorb liquid and expand in stomach, keeping you feeling full and aiding in digestion. Number 5, Greek yogurt. Rich in protein and probiotic, support gut health and promote fullness and aid in weight management when included in balanced diet. Number 6, broccoli. Low in calories but high in fiber and nutrients, aids in digestion and support weight management as part of a balanced diet. Number 7, green tea. Green tea boosts metabolism and burn fat and enhance overall health with its antioxidant property.